See, this caravan camping is picking up in India slowly. But there's a lot to be done. Kerala has declared already, all the Kerala tourism sites have been declared for caravan camping. Maharashtra, Ganapati, Pune and all are declared already. But what happens when you go and you have to camp your vehicle, no? You have to plug in power point.
Okay.
If you don't have power point and toilet stuff to decant your toilet and all that, then there's a problem. So what happens is I have all the grey water tank, everything. It's a home on wheels. Let me tell you, Goa is the best place for caravan.
Okay.
But tourism department, you have to wake up. I've given the cushions. This come up like this. This comes up.
Okay.
This comes a bed.
Okay.
This is the power bank.
Okay.
Here are battery. All battery and stationery.
Okay. Sir, where you travel?
Now I have done Kurka and all that local because raining. No?
Okay.
I've seen him also.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I come for those meetings, government meetings.
Okay.
Anyway. Now I've done, because of heavy rains, I've just done Kurka outside Kurka church and all that one night.
Okay.
I'll do now. Plan to travel whole of India, cover whole of India.
Whole of India. So how is Goa?
No, I'm a Goan but
Yeah, but Means, sir,
Yeah,
getting this van and you are moving around the world and all. What do you want to tell the people?
See, I'll tell you one thing. If you see this number, no?
Yeah.
It's a Gujarat number.
Yeah. Gujarat number.
Why? Because Goa Tourism Department, not tourism, Director Transport didn't help me. Thanks. उनके पास गया था मैं. I said, give me white plate because white plate means private use. Yellow plate means lot of problem.
Yeah.
So the number is Gujarat because I got a white plate from Gujarat.
Okay.
Goa's tourism department now has declared Goa as camping, caravan camping site. That Mahase Lake, no? Mahase Lake and Anjuna and all that has been declared.
Okay.
There is no place like Goa which can offer you facilities for tourism environment. Actually, if you take a scale of 1:10, no, they have not even touched 5. There's lots to do. Lots to do. For example, now you see your Kalangut, that narrow road over there to Kalangut to go from there. Now, after how many years they brought it? And riverside, rivers have to be like Kerala. Rivers have to be in the hills. Goa hills has so much to offer. If you give a camping site, in the hills, you come, park your land there, people will come. I've got a full group which are traveling. They'll come. But Goa tourism has to, not on toes, they have to go on their wheels. Goa is the best destination for everything. But if you don't plan in tourism, but इतना नहीं करते जितना करना चाहिए.